Hey guys, so if you decide to buy the LED whitener accelerator, it comes in a nice little container like this. Very nice. So when you open it up, you do have a adapter that you can put your mobile phone, your iPhone, your Galaxy. It's up to you how you want your computer, your outlet, however you want to plug it. You have it right here. On the LED itself, the mouth guard LED, you have a micro USB. So it's up to you how would you like to plug this. So for now, I will connect the adapter and I will connect it to an iPhone. It's best using it with the whitening gel pens. About 5 minutes. Leave it in twice a day. So it lights up just like this. So this go. About 5 minutes a day and you'll be all set. Very nice. It does have a lot of LEDs. There's about 20 LEDs in there. Very, very nice product. Love it. And I will start using it with the gel pens. Awesome. Thanks.